In this video, we will explain you how to attach new documents in your transaction, how to update the old documents attached in your transactions, understand the status of the documents in your transaction, and how to read Office comments or messages sent to you in regards to the documents in your transaction. To start editing or putting documents in your transaction, go to the Transactions menu and select the file from the list of files shown to you. You can also input the file number in the search and click on the pencil icon to open up that file. Once that transaction file is open, you will need to go to the Documents tab. Here you will see a list of the documents which are required for this transaction. You will notice on the right column there are few colored and labeled buttons here. In any transaction, you will have mandatory documents needed for those transactions, some optional forms as well. The top of the file will always show you the documents which are mandatory and are still missing in this transaction, which you have not attached yet. The other status, the document status, will show you the attached documents which you might have attached and has been accepted by the office, or is incomplete, marked by the office, or it has been marked rejected by the office. So there could be very valid reasons for marking these things. To attach a document, let's start the process. To attach a document, you have two ways you can attach a document. One, you can click on the paperclip next to it and it will open up a browser. You can select the document you want, open it, and it will attach it there. The other way of doing it is to actually go into your document and completely dragging it to that paperclip and leaving it there. This will attach the documents in your section. So now let's try to attach a few documents here. What you should try to do is go and look at the names of the documents given here. For example, the listing agreement, land title, MLS, and then click on it to open up the browser. Find the document and it will show up here. Once you have attached all the documents, click on the Save button at the bottom right. Wait for the file to get updated. And you will see once your documents have been attached, they automatically go in review mode, meaning that the office has still not looked at these documents or commented on it or accepted them. Once all these have been done, your documents are now attached in your file. Click on Save. And you are now safe to leave the file. If you go to the dashboard and your messages section, you will see that when an office leaves a comment on any of the documents, you will receive it here as a message. Clicking on this message on the title will take you directly there to that particular file. clicking on the preview icon will show you a list of the comments left here. For example, this will show you that for this file, the admin comments are there. What was the previous status of the document? It was in review, but now it has been accepted. This is the current status. You can also click on it and it will take you directly to that transaction. And now you can go into the document section and look at the comments. The other way of looking at comments is by clicking on the view button here. When you click on the view button, this screen will show up. It will show you the document attached. And when you go to the document which is incomplete, you will see a comment written here by the office. For example, here it says listing site commission has not been included. Please update this. So you can correct and upload the correct form here. So this is a wrong form attached, so it has been rejected. Once you update the transaction with the correct documents, you can also leave the comments here. Click on the plain aeroplane button here. This will send the message, and make sure you click on Save and Update Conveyance. What this will do is, this will update your system with the correct form and also message the conveyance telling them that you have taken care of the document. Once all the mandatory documents and other documents which had comments on it had been accepted and turned green light, in your transactions database, that particular file will show the document status also as green. So this document status will not change to green unless all the documents have been uploaded and accepted by the office.